and I'm representing Abasebenzi. We are here to say we support ngeMashi and enough is enough for the people of this country to be free from foreign agenda. What we are here today, we are saying, people, we are not saying foreigners are not allowed in South Africa. Before we attend the issue of 50 children who died here in KwaZulu-Natal only for poisoning food, we are saying we will stand up for the workers as well, because there are workers there who are forced to be part of selling the poisonous food. From the workers' side, all the people who are falling under the working class, who are part of the shops, must report this incident every time, and we are here to say, once we get a report from them to say there is an expired food, we will drive wherever we are, we will drive and go and close that shop. And foreigners must understand one thing: they are not here to kill our children. They are here for Salam's papers only, not to sell, not to open businesses. They are here for as refugees, not as a business people. So we are here to say all the shops from foreigners must move away to the South Africans, and the president of this country must be sober in their mind. We cannot able to register all foreigners in this country, and they must not open the tech shop in this country. We are here to fight that. We are here to defend our dignity. That's why we are here today. Thank you.